you are with Kim Byers at the Celebration Shop, and today we're talking about the contour tool in Cricut Design Space. The contour tool is that underutilized gem in Cricut Design Space. So if you have ever gone in to create a project and you have found that perfect, you've gone into images, you've found that perfect image like this one right here, and you're like, oh, it's absolutely perfect, except I really want to take out Get Outside or Wander in Pursuit, or I want to remove the moon, or I want to take out this. And you look over to the layers panel and you're like, wow, it's one cut. And so you feel like I'm stuck. There's nothing I can do with that. So now I need to go back to the drawing board. Actually, you don't. So what you would do is you click on it, you go down to Contour, and this is going to bring up every cut in this entire design. So I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so we can see the whole thing. And so what you do is you either click on the item and you see how it goes away, or you can go into the side panel and click on things individually. But basically what you do is you literally just click and you're removing that item from the design. So I'll show you in 1 second. You take out all these little inside pieces, little inside cuts. Make sure you get the dot on the eye, and then we click off of it. Voila, it's gone. So now you can put anything there you want. So if you want to add your son's name there, you just go over to text, add, and you're done. If you wanted to move something, so say you're like, I really love the bear, but I don't want him to be where he is. What you would do is you would literally duplicate. So you would just click on the design, you would go up to duplicate, you would duplicate it. So now you have two, and you would go into the contour tool and you would delete all the things that you don't want. So, you know, for instance, everything but the bear. So you could actually say hide all, and then just go back in and click and get the bear. And then you click off of it and see now you just have the bear. So if you wanted to put maybe the bear on the sleeve or something, I mean, the contour tool allows you to break apart these amazing designs and do exactly what you want. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial and that you will join me back here on my YouTube channel every week for more ideas. I have lots of craft ideas and lots of design space tutorials to help you use your Cricut more. And I'll see you guys next time.